Hi, welcome guys. My name is Priyansh and you are watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing questions of Punjabi assignments. If you need this, because we have prepared all the assignment in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this and if you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. And you can tell about your subjects and or your all the so that we will provide all the answers on our WhatsApp. So here the question number 1, 2 and 3 all are about the 40 to 60 words, and that you can see in this one. 1, 2 and 3 all about the 40 to 60 words. Question number 4 and 5 about 200 150 words, and question number 6 in the 500 words. As you know, we have prepared all the answers according to the chapter wise, according to the word limits. So if you need all the answers, we are here for help you. You can contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much. We are here for help you anytime you can contact. Thank you so much.